Hi everybody, I am staying at Rome Cavalier at Rome and I am here with the executive chef. Hello chef,
Hi, good evening.
good evening. So why don't you introduce yourself?
So, yes, I'm Nicholas Cuomo. I'm the executive chef of the Rome Cavalieri, and pleased to meet you.
And why don't you tell us about your journey?
Oh, my journey. I've been traveling since 1998. My first stop was in the UK. I'm originally from Malta, and I did 2 years in the UK in a Hilton. I had come back to Malta in 2020, excuse me, 2002. Then from 2007, I decided to move to the UAE. UAE, I spent 17 years in the UAE, 15 in Dubai, and the last two in Ras Al Khaimah. And today, here I am for the last 6 months in Rome.
That's nice. So why don't you tell us about your journey here in Rome?
Started here in February. Um, you know, Coming to the city of foodies is not that easy. However, we've started to implement my style of cooking, which is using regional cuisine that we find mostly in the Mediterranean, and using ingredients from the territory. So, from the region of Rome, we try our best not to go further away from Rome. We say 90%, we try to stay within because it's impossible. I have to get hams from Tuscany, I have to get some fish from a bit further away. However, we try to stay seasonal. So, the menu in the restaurant we are today, Uliveto, we can say it is 96% seasonal.
Nice.
So you will not find zucchini on the menu, you'll not find tomatoes on the menu because these are not seasonal at the
So
moment.
you're all fresh.
Fresh and seasonal, exactly. Yes, so we are trying to implement a very cautious cuisine where we will support the community around us and also the farmers.
Nice. So when we talk about the freshness, Rome is rightly said it is a paradise for foodies. What would you recommend some food from your, I would say some dishes from your list when a person coming, staying here must try?
So if you come now until spring, our menu is running. But if you come in spring, things will change. But a few highlights we can say is we have our one of our most selling dishes is the seafood risotto. We have the beef fillet, where we use a very aged, matured piece of beef coming from Rome. We have the veal sweetbreads with root vegetables, and of course the burrata.
Nice, nice. And which is your one favorite dish which you love it?
On the current menu,
No, in general.
in general, I don't have one dish because I'm a
Oh,
chef. I taste everything,
uh-huh.
but I'm a big fan and I'm very fond of Asian cuisine.
Nice.
So I'm more into Thai cuisine, into Vietnamese cuisine, into Taiwanese cuisine. So this is a cuisine I really like.
Nice. And is there something special coming on the menu for the festive times ahead?
Yes, we do our homemade panettones, and then being in Rome, we cannot be too adventurous. We have to keep it traditional and classical. So a lot of fish, a lot of lamb, smoked fish, smoked lamb, cured lamb. So
And anything for the vegetarians coming on the platter?
yes, we have vegetarian lasagna. We have some pumpkin gnocchi with wild mushrooms. So we also take care of the vegetarians.
That's nice. So thank you, chef. So
Welcome.
I think you have whole lot of list on your kitty when you travel to Rome, when you are a guest to this hotel, where to knock. I'm sure you will love indulging yourself as much as I have had a good session with the chef. Thank you so much, chef.
Thank you.